Hi, Michael. How you doing? Hi. Hi. It's Monday, April 5th, 2010, and we're going to try feeding you some cereal for the first time. What do you have to say about that? Does it sound fun? Of course it does. Of course it does.
You just start over? Or...
No, we're not going to start over.
Okay, Michael. You try it? Can you try it? Huh? You can't eat your hand. You gotta eat the food. That didn't go well. Let's try again. Ooh. Maybe we should have put a bib on you.
You should put a bib on.
Hey, Michael.
Bibs are for sailors.
I don't know if this is going so well.
Maybe
Michael!
it's not tasty. Looks kind of thick.
Maybe we'll add some more. Good try, Michael. Good try. Good try. Want to try one more? One more bite? No? Is that a no? Okay.